Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rupal. I'm a chartered accountant and currently I'm in Amsterdam pursuing LLM in International Taxation. Well, today I'm going to give you quickly a room tour and I will also in the end share some tips for the Indian students who may come to Netherlands for pursuing higher education. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's go. Welcome to my house, guys. So today we are taking a home tour. As you enter, you would get a kitchen area. So this is our entire kitchen area where a lot of things I have purchased and a lot of things we got from here. So let's start from here. Okay, so here, as you see, are the kettle, the mixie, and we have a lot of fruits because I love fruits. This is something which I got from Ikea. It's very handy. And there we have our mini fridge. I'm sure you have seen this earlier as well. And here we have a lot of other storage space and another storage space here. And here are my mugs. See, I love mugs. And for example, this one. Okay, here, this one I got from Germany. I went to Germany, and again this one also I got from Germany. I went to Germany Christmas markets, and also this one's from Dusseldorf. So I love mugs, as you can see. So here we are. This is the stove, kitchen, whatever, and you get a little bit of pans like this and few other things. There's another storage space here, which is a lot of stuff which I have kept. And this is my cutest mug of all time. This is a gift from my Secret Santa, and this is such a nice mug from Starbucks, and it has all Netherlands things over it, like this cute little windmill. You have these tulips, and you have the Christmas markets, you have these boats. So I really love this one. Anyways, that was that. This is again the storage space. A lot of stuff I have kept here, which is a little messy, so I won't show you. So this is the kitchen area as you enter the space. Moving on. Here is the washroom, and I'm sure you have seen it. It's pretty spacious, it's fine. And welcome here to my bedroom. This is my bedroom, and a lot of things I have purchased from here. A lot of things I have got from my student accommodation, like these cushions are from Ikea. Moving on to this cute clothes stand. I've got this from a local store called Locker. It's very handy, trust me. Moving on to the dining cum study area. So as you guys can see, this is my dining area. It's very good for 2 people. And yeah, it's pretty handy, sturdy. And also I study here, and also I have my food here. So yeah, this is my dining area, guys. Moving on to my living area. Ciao. This is my living area. I love this space. So yeah, this is my living space. I do a lot of my readings here because we have a lamp, and ta-da, the lamp here, and it's a very good space. The next thing is, this is the most messy part. Don't look at it, don't look at it. This is the most messy part. This is a lot of my chargers, plugs, cables and things like that. So, and these are my new baby plants, if you would have seen. Anyways, this was messy part, but yeah, that's it. Moving on. This is also a part of my living space, and this is the coffee table. I generally use it for keeping a lot of my stuff. It also has these drawers, which I absolutely love, and there's a lot of stuff here. And I love candles. This one's almost about to. This was a big jar which I got for myself, and it's almost about to get it over. So yeah, this is my living space. There's a lot of stuff again in the corner, but I think it's fine. Moving on. Okay, so here is all my luggages. As you can see, I've kept it over there so that my space here is clean. So yeah, that is all kept there. This is again something which I got from Ikea, and it's very convenient because I can just hang around my stuff here. I actually use this to hang my stuff, jackets and things like that. And this is again a cute Christmas socks. So yep, that's my room. And lastly, let me show you the view. This is today's view, guys, and this is my everyday view from the window. Okay, so that was my room, and I hope it gives you some idea how the rooms are in student accommodation is when you're in Netherlands. And this is an Amsterdam room. It's a little on an expensive side, especially if you're coming from India, you might feel so. But trust me, it's actually a lot cheaper as compared if you go to a private accommodation that may be more expensive. So, having said that, now is the time for some tips for Indian students. Actually, it can be for any students, but since I came from India, I think it will be really helpful for you guys. Number one, first and foremost, always check with your student accommodation provider what kind of facilities are they providing already, what kind of utilities will they give you. For example, when we came here, they gave us fry pan, they gave us some basic cutlery, and they gave us one set of spoons and knife and fork. So first, get an idea. If they're already providing you a pan, you do not need to carry a pan which is induction friendly from India. So all you need is maybe carry a cooker, you know, if you actually boil a lot of vegetables and lentils and stuff like that, तो आपको कुकर चाहिए होगा. तो वो आप इंडिया से लेकर आ सकते हो. आप इंडिया से लेट्स से मैं बेलन लेकर आई थी, छलनी लेकर आई थी, एंड मसालादानी, वो आपको यहाँ से बहुत एक्सपेंसिव मिलेगी. बट यहाँ से आप बाकी और चीज़ें ले सकते हो, जैसे प्लेट्स ले सकते हो, बाकी अलग तरह की कटलरीज ले सकते हो. यहाँ से केटल्स ले सकते हो, मिक्सर ग्राइंडर्स ले सकते हो. यहाँ पे वो सब चीज़ें बहुत cheap price पे मिल जाएंगी as compared to India, or as compared to when you're carrying from India. So if you have extra luggage, obviously you can carry all those things. But if you don't, which I'm presuming if you're coming here for at least 1 year, you may not have. सो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको यहाँ पे बहुत ईजीली मिल जाएंगी और बहुत सस्ती मिल जाएंगी, स्पेशली इफ़ यू गो टू IKEA. सो आपको वहाँ से बहुत अच्छा मिल सकता है. एंड देयर इज़ माई सेकेंड tip is explore IKEA to the full. Do not go to the IKEA outlet and then do it. Go through their website in the each category. First you decide what all kind of products you need, and under that category आप वहाँ पे shortlist कर सकते हो कि आपको ये चीज़ें चाहिए, and then you go to the IKEA store and then purchase those products. Do not go to the IKEA store and then decide, otherwise you will be lost, and IKEA stores are huge. I've been there and I know it. For example, I got some of my cutleries, one fry pan, one these cushions and comforters. So all of these things I've got from IKEA. So you decide how much of everything that you want as per your estimation, and then explore the website. और उसके बाद आप वहाँ पे जाके आप ले सकते हो, या फिर आप वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर कर सकते हो and they will deliver to your home. So why not? Number 3, which is very very important, is this. This is a converter. If you have all your electrical gadgets which are suitable for Indian or American pinpoints, you will need a converter here. So have a type E or type F converter if you see here. So आपको ये टाइप E टाइप F कन्वर्टर चाहिए होगा. इंडिया से आप लेकर आएंगे तो बहुत सस्ता मिलेगा. I got these 3 for I think 600 or 700 from Amazon India. I would see if I have that link, I will put it. Number 4, this is a tip for everybody. If you need certain things, you can always and always look for cheaper options. You can look for second hand products if you are okay with it. Also, in a lot of student accommodations in common room, people who are leaving the accommodation generally leave their stuff there. So you can actually go and check if you have some stuff there, and if you're okay with using second hand used products, you can actually sanitize that entire thing, bring it to your house and use it. Why not? It's actually free, and genuinely, why not? 5th tip is for girls specifically. If you are used to using hot water bags, please do get one from India, because I have been here for 4 months and I could not see any hot water bag good options. I got mine from India and it has been so helpful. So you should get this hot water bag. It is very very helpful at the time of your menstrual cycles. It's a big comforter. And 6th is the tip I think for everyone, is that the student accommodations here are generally studio apartments, right? And these, even though they're very expensive, but you just get one room. That one room is sufficient for one person, so it's not a problem. But if you are used to having a different living room or different bedroom and different dining room and the comfort of Indian houses, try to maintain a good divide between your entire house. Let's say have a color coding, different for your bedding area, different for your living space, so that you also feel a particular sort of divide in the room, and that will actually, I think, make you feel good. At least that's what I do. So I think that's one tip that I would want to give you. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share it with your friends who actually need this information if they are planning to go abroad. So yeah, that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.